2000 Cavalier here today. I think I got a tensioner pulley going out, and also the air conditioning doesn't seem to be working the best, kind of randomly. This is the 2200 2.2 liter. See, everything's spinning nice and quiet now. Can you see? Pretty smooth. But as soon as I turn the AC on, we'll see what happens here. See the movement, and that's got to be the tensioner on its way out. This past winter was getting some funny sounds, which I thought, ooh, definitely sounds like a bearing. I don't know, it almost looks like the crankshaft pulley is moving too, but that can't be, could it? You definitely see the belt gets loose when the AC compressor engages. It's a little floppy there. So, hopefully that's all it is that belt tensioner down there. It's just nice and tight when the AC compressor is off. I would think the idle's supposed to be up on this a little more than it is too when the AC is on, so that's kind of strange also. Can I get a better shot? Try that one. I don't like that at all. But how the heck does a guy get down there to take that off? There's no room. So I gotta buy another tool. Anyways, if anybody knows if that's what it is for sure, I'm pretty sure that's what it is, just a belt tensioner, but leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see some more weird stuff, or just what's going on with the car stuff or whatever. Have a good day. Bye.